Hey, fitness fam. Today, I've got a 10-minute home workout to torch fat without any equipment. We'll hit high knees, squats, push-ups, and mountain climbers, 30 seconds each with no rest. Let's go hard for 10 minutes and feel the burn. 4 incredible bodyweight exercises lined up. No breaks, no stopping to check your phone. This is high-intensity interval training that will get your heart rate soaring and keep it there. It's going to be tough. I won't lie to you, but it's going to be so worth it. Make sure you've got enough room to move without bumping into the coffee table or the sofa. Take a deep breath. This is your time. Your 10 minutes to focus on yourself. The countdown to a fitter, healthier you starts right now. Let's go. All right, first up, we've got high knees. Drive one knee up towards your chest as high as you can possibly get it. Pump your arms back and forth, just like you would if you were running. When your right knee comes up, your left arm should drive forward. Land softly on the balls of your feet with every step. Keep that core tight and remember to breathe. 30 seconds done. Straight into squats. No rest, remember. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your chest up and your shoulders back. Begin to lower your body as if you're about to sit down in a chair that's just a little too far behind you. Lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, then powerfully drive back up through your heels. Incredible. We've smashed the squats, and now it's time to hit the floor for push-ups. Place your hands on the floor, slightly wider than your shoulders. Your body should form a perfectly straight line from your head to your heels. Take a breath in as you slowly bend your elbows and lower your entire body towards the floor. Keep your elbows tucked in slightly. Then, with a powerful exhale, push through the palms of your hands to drive your body back up. Think about pushing the floor away from you. Yes, push-ups done and dusted. Stay on the floor because we are going straight into mountain climbers. Start in that high plank position. Drive your right knee in towards your chest, as close as you can get it. As you return your right foot back, immediately drive your left knee in. It's a continuous alternating motion like running in place. Keep your hips low and stable. Find the fastest pace you can maintain while keeping that solid plank position. Brilliant, that's one full round completed. 2 minutes down, 8 to go. You might be wondering, why no rest? By keeping rest periods to 0, we're keeping your heart rate elevated in that optimal fat-burning zone. This continuous effort turns your body into a calorie-torching machine and creates that afterburn effect for hours after you finish. We are going straight back to the top, right back into those high knees. This is where we start to really push the boundaries. For these next 30 seconds, can you get your knees just a little bit higher than you did in the first round? Your mind might be starting to tell you to slow down, but you are stronger than that voice. You are in control. Push through that discomfort, because that is where the magic happens. That is where your body changes and gets stronger. Let's go, team. Give me everything you've got. After the high knees, it's straight back into those squats. Focus on the power of the movement. Can you explode up from the bottom with more force? Every single repetition builds more strength. Whether you're on your toes or on your knees, focus on that full range of motion, chest down towards the floor, then a powerful push back up. When you transition to mountain climbers, try to pick up the pace. Drive those knees in faster. You've done this before, you know you can do it. This second and third round is all about building on the foundation you laid in the first. You are doing brilliantly, so don't stop now. There's a mental benefit to the no-rest rule. It builds mental toughness and discipline. You are training your mind to overcome obstacles. Each time you push through without pausing, you're winning a small battle. All those victories add up to huge confidence that carries into other areas of your life. We're in the final stretch now. 2 more rounds. This is where champions are made. This is where real transformation happens. Round 4, championship level. I want to see those knees at their absolute highest. Show me what you're made of. Your legs might be feeling like jelly, and that's a good thing. It means you are working them properly. Keep moving. Stay strong. This is the toughest part where your upper body and core are really put to the test. Don't give up now. Mountain climbers at maximum speed. Imagine the summit of that mountain is in sight. You're almost there. Final round. This is your victory lap. Leave nothing in the tank. Every second counts now. These are your victory squats. You've proven you can do hard things. You are stronger than you thought possible. Final push-ups. Every rep is a victory. You are building a stronger body and an unbreakable mindset. Final mountain climbers. Climb to the summit. Give me everything you've got. This is where the real work happens. And that's it. 10 minutes, done. The timer has gone off. Take a moment. Stand up, put your hands on your hips or your head and just breathe. Feel your heart pounding in your chest. Feel the sweat on your skin. That is the feeling of success. That is the feeling of having accomplished something amazing for yourself. Take a few minutes now to cool down properly. Don't just stop and sit down. Walk around slowly. Let your heart rate come down gradually. Do a few gentle stretches. Reach your arms up high, stretch out your chest, your legs, your back. Thank your body for everything it just did for you. Rehydrate with a big glass of water. You've earned it. You showed up, you pushed through, and you completed the entire workout. You should be feeling so incredibly proud of yourself right now. Remember this feeling. The next time you're feeling unmotivated, recall this moment of accomplishment. This is your motivation to keep going. You have the power to transform your life, 10 minutes at a time. Thank you for training with me today.